In the heart of a lush tropical rainforest lived a tiny tapir named Tiko. He had a short snout, round ears, and dark brown fur with creamy white spots, perfect for hiding in the leafy jungle. Tiko was shy. While monkeys swung from vines and parrots chattered loudly, Tiko preferred quiet walks by the riverbank. One day, the rainforest echoed with loud cries. A baby bird had fallen from its nest into the river. Without hesitation, Tiko waddled into the water. Using his strong snout, he gently pushed the little bird to shore. The other animals cheered. Tiko smiled shyly. From that day on, Tiko wasn't just the tiny tapir, he was the quiet hero of the rainforest.